Presenting the ASUS Vivobook 15, IntelCore i7-12650H 12th generation, 15.6 inches. It comes with IntelCore i9-13900H processor 2.6 GHz, 24 MB cache, up to 5.4 GHz, 14 cores, 20 threads, processor IntelCore i7-12650H processor 2.3 GHz, 24 meters cache, up to 4.7 GHz, 10 cores, and graphics, integrated Intel UHD graphics. It has display, 15.6 inch and Full HD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio. Anti-glare display and 45% NTSC. It features others, 720p HD camera with privacy shutter, built-in speaker vertical bar, built-in microphone and with Cortana and Alexa voice recognition support. It also features keyboard, backlit chiclet keyboard. It also features 2.0 Type-A, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack, 1x TC-in and Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX, dual band, 2x2 plus Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card.